Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make cocktail pods. First, gather your essential ingredients and equipment. You'll need a silicone mold, a small funnel, and your chosen cocktail components. We'll focus on creating a balanced flavor profile that works well in a concentrated form. This method ensures consistent results every time you want a delicious drink without the fuss. Now, let's talk about selecting the right ingredients for your pods. Opt for concentrated flavors where possible, as they'll shine through when diluted. Think about classic combinations like a Moscow Mule or a Margarita and how their core elements can be condensed. You'll want to measure precisely, perhaps using a small measuring spoon for accuracy to maintain consistency across all your pods. With your ingredients ready, it's time to assemble the pods. Mix your chosen liquids thoroughly in a small container. Then, using a funnel, carefully pour the mixture into your silicone molds. Each mold cavity should hold about 1.5 fluid ounces for a standard drink. Once filled, place the molds in the freezer for a minimum of 4 hours or until completely solid. This ensures they hold their shape. Once your cocktail pods are frozen solid, carefully remove them from the molds. Store them in an airtight container in your freezer. They'll stay fresh for up to 3 months. When you're ready for a drink, simply drop one pod into a glass and add about 6 fluid ounces of your preferred mixer, like sparkling water or soda. Stir gently until dissolved and enjoy your perfectly crafted cocktail. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including that fantastic sock recommendation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.